Hi everyone, I would like to welcome my new and current viewers worldwide. Today's video will be based on a holiday inspired look that I've created using a custom made eyeshadow palette I've gotten from Amazon. If you are new to my channel, I usually put on my makeup while I cover topics that come to my mind. If that is your cup of tea, I highly encourage you to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I decided to switch up my hairstyle for this look, and if you would like to see how I achieved this look, then stay tuned. Now for starters, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows like so. Now next I'm going to set them into place by using an eyebrow gel. Now I'm going to clean up these brows by using a Q-tip. Next I'm going to be applying an eyeshadow base, which would be my all-time favorite matte paint pot in the shade Layin Low. Now I'm taking the star of the show, which would be my custom-made Adept Cosmetics palette that I use sometimes, and I'm going to outline my cut crease by using a dark brown eyeshadow from that palette. Now I'm going to be using a beige eyeshadow from that same palette, and I'm going to use it to blend out the top of my crease. Now I'm going to use the other side of this palette. This palette has two sides, and so I'm going to be using a lighter shade of beige as my highlight. So I'm blending out the edges with no additional products. Now I'm going to be using the NYX Layin Low Paint Pot again, and I'm going to cut my crease with it. I want this cut crease look to be more soft and neutral compared to the other cut crease looks I've done. Now next I'm going to create a wing shape with a brown gel eyeliner. Now I'm using the same brown eyeshadow from that palette to blend out the edges of my eyeliner. Next I'm going to be using the silver eyeshadow from the same palette, but the silver is much more sheer than I anticipated, but I'm going to be going over it with some glitter. Now I'm going to touch up my brown wing eyeliner. Now next I'm going to lay down some glitter glue like so. Next, I'm going to be using another custom-made palette that is strictly used for glitters, and I'm going to take an iridescent silver glitter and putting it right on top of my eyelids like so. I wanted the silver to be more opaque, so I went ahead and used the glitter to cover up the empty spots. Now from the very first palette, I'm going to be using more of a silver beige shade to highlight my inner corners. Next, I'm applying some mascara like so. Next, I'm applying a lash glue on my top lash line. Now I'm going to be applying some false lashes. Now I'm applying that same brown gel eyeliner on my lower lash line area. Now with the same brown eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and blend out my eyeliner. Now I'm going to be blending out the edges again with that same beige eyeshadow. Now that my eyes are all done, I'm going to be applying the All Nighter Face Primer by Urban Decay. Now for my foundation, I'm going to be applying MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC50. I tend to be heavy-handed on this product, but I always go back and blend it out with a sponge, so that's okay. Today was wash day, so I went ahead and decided to put some curlers in my head and keep them in for a few days, so that way my locks would be more curlier. I started my sister locks journey back in March of 2021. To highlight my face, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer like so. Just as a disclaimer, I listed all the products that I've used in the description area below. I love the way that the foundation ties the whole eye look together. Next, I'm going to contour my face with another custom-made blush, contour, and highlight palette. Now I'm blending out the edges with the same foundation brush that I used earlier. Next, I'm setting my concealer with the Beauty Bakery's powder in the shade Oat. It gives my skin so much more of a satin finish, which I love. I only use one layer so that way it's not too cakey or dry looking. Next, I'm going to be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer to set my contour into place. I'm so glad I received this as a gift because it gives my skin so much more definition and it's so much more natural looking. Next, I'm going to be using a custom-made blush like so. This used to be a bunch of pink eyeshadows that I wasn't wearing. I love making new products out of things I already own. Now next, I'm going to be applying some highlight like so. So to blend the rest of my face together, I'm going to be applying MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW45. This powder is great for blending out the harsh lines after I apply some blush and highlight and contour. Now I'm setting everything in place by using Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray. Now I'm applying MAC's Cherry Lip Liner, like so. Red lips go so well with neutral eyeshadow looks, as well as the silver eyeshadow looks. Finally, I'm going to be applying the Lip Bar's Boss Lady Liquid Lipstick. This look is absolutely perfect for the holiday season. It can be worn at any birthday parties, Christmas parties, or anything that your heart desires, and it can be paired with any lip color. Well, the look is all complete. I sure hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell each time I upload new videos. Until next time, happy holidays and stay blessed, y'all.